Hi, my name is Mary Josel Kaylin Esbertusio. I live in the Tarlac, grade 1, 7 years old. Place values level 2.
Hi mga kids! Ito na naman si Teacher Edu upang magbigay ng bagong lesson on today's values. Bago ang lahat, kailangang magpasalamat tayo kay Josel at Arky upang tulungan tayong sumagot ng ating mga questions. Next time, Arky, kailangan lakasan mo ang iyong boses para maintindihan ka ng iyong mga followers. At kay Josel naman, iwasan ang malikot na ulo habang nakatutok ang camera. Are you ready? Sa digit 1, ano ang place value nito? Is it letter A, letter B, letter C, D, E, or F? Alin dito ang tamang sagot? Josel?
Is A, tens.
How about you, Arky?
Tens.
Ang sagot ni Josel ay A, which is tens. And si Arky naman ay pareho din kay Josel. A. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Tingnan natin. Pareho silang tama. Digit 1 is in the tens place. Since digit 1 is in the tens place, the value of digit 1 is equal to 10. With the arrow pointing to digit 8, what is the place value? What is your answer, Josel?
E, hundreds.
How about you, Arky?
The place value of 8 is E, hundreds.
Tama ba si Josel at Arky? Tingnan natin. Sa mga decimal numbers, ang una nating dapat titingnan ay kung saan ang decimal point at doon tayo mag-uumpisang magbilang. Digit 0 is in the tenths place. Digit 8 is in the hundredths place. Josel and Arky got the right answer. It's letter E, hundredths. Digit 8 is in the hundredths place. What is the place value of digit 7? Can you answer, Arky?
The place value of 7 is B, hundreds.
How about you, Josel?
7 is B, hundreds.
Step 1, kailangan natin hanapin ang decimal point. Dahil ang tinutukoy nating digit ay nasa left side, we will move towards the digit 7. Tandaan, habang dumadaan sa bawat digit, banggitin ang place value gaya ng ones, tens, hundreds. Tama kaya si Arky at Josel sa kanilang answer? Tama! It's letter B, hundreds. Digit 7 is in the hundreds place. What is the place value of the digit 0?
0 is F, thousands. The place value of 0 is thousands.
Both are correct. Digit 0 is in the thousands place. Letter F is the correct answer. Next number. What is the place value of the digit 2?
2 is
You
thousands.
are correct. Digit 2 is in the thousands place. Tandaan, mula sa decimal point, pakaliwa, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Uulitin ko, digit 2 is in the thousands place. What is the place value of the digit 0?
3,000. 3,000.
Tama kaya ang sagot nila? Oh yes, tama! Digit 0 is in the thousands place. Let us go to the next number. What is the place value of the digit 8?
8 is 3,000.
That's correct. Digit 8 is in the thousands place. How about this? Digit 7 is in what place value?
7 is 8 tenths.
Tama kaya si Josel pag sinabi niyang digit 7 is in the tens place? Tama ulit si Josel. Digit 7 is in the tens place. Let us go to the next item. What is the place value of the digit 9?
9 is hundreds.
Please be reminded that you have to pronounce all the words clearly, like hundreds and hundreds. Tama kaya si Josel nung sinabi niyang hundreds? Josel is correct. The answer is E, hundreds. Digit 9 is in the hundreds place. For the last item, what is the place value of the digit 1?
1 is F, none. Place value of 1 is F, none.
Bago natin sagutin ang huling katanungan, nais ko sanang yayain ang mga ibang batang interesadong matuto ng math na makilahok sa libreng serbisyo ng pagtuturo ng iyong lingkod tuwing 1:00 ng hapon mula Lunes hanggang Sabado. Ang Grade 1 and Early Learners online class ay para sa mga nasa Grade 1 o unang baitang o mga nag-uumpisa pa lamang na matuto ng math. Mas lalo silang ma-expose at maging sanay sa pinaka-hate na pag-aralan. Pinaka-hate nila talaga itong pag-aralan ang mathematics. Surely, they will learn and love math by joining our class. Libre lang po ito. Let's go back to our lesson. Yes, the answer is none. Wala kasi sa option ang place value ng digit 1. Digit 1 is in the ones place. Therefore, the answer is letter F, none of the above. May natutunan ba kayo, class? Salamat ako kay Josel and Arky in joining me in my video. This is Teacher Edu saying bye-bye.